In this video we want to show you a micro SD card from SanDisk with adapter. The capacity of this card is 200 GB. Although if you are putting it into your smartphone or laptop, it is showing you that only 183 GB are available. Let us first have a look at the packaging. Now let us get the micro SD card and its adapter out. We are going to do a speed test now on a Windows computer. For this test we are copying a 500 MB video file to and from the SD card. Like you can see, the SD card can reach a speed up to 100 Mbits per second. But mostly the card is slower, around 30 Mbits per second. But overall, the card can speed like promised up to 100 Mbits per second. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.